Hi there. My name is Becky Harvey. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to and answer the questions of educators like me. I'm an inner city middle school computer teacher at Sullivan Middle School in Worcester, Massachusetts. And after staying home with my kids when they were young, I began teaching at the age of 38. I went back and earned my master's degree and did my student teaching in 8 months at a cost of almost $30,000. I wasn't able to find steady work for the first few years when I started teaching and had to live on and pay back my loans on my husband's salary and my substitute teaching salary, which was pretty low. I also at the time had two sons in college. I wound up having a few late payments on my loans, but I'd always make them up in a month or two. And because of this, I'm no longer eligible for the loan forgiveness program. It seems as though the educators who have the most problems paying off their student loans are the ones who don't qualify for any help. What will you be able to do to help people in my situation? Thank you.